Johnny, right here. Mike. Come on, Jeremy.
Come on, Jeremy.
Jesse. Got a force now.
Bend over your follow through. Okay, let me go, Todd.
Talk, Kevin. Talk, Kevin. Look him over, Kevin. Come on, Kevin. Come on. Take your time, Todd. Good. Good luck.
Come on, Todd. You can do it.
Talk, Kevin.
Around. Set.
That's away. Come on, Todd. Go to lower, Todd. Still throwing him a little high. Right in that catcher's mitt.
All right, Kevin. All right, Jerry, go.
Don't let up too much, Todd. Don't be afraid to throw the ball. Just concentrate on your target. Good pitch, that's the way. Amanda, stay ready out there. Good play, Jason. Good play.
2 down now. Come on, John. Come on, Johnny. Come on now.
Come on, Todd. You can do it.
Come on, Ivy.
Go outside. Come on now. Come in.
Come on now.
straight in that target.
Come on, Chad. Come on now. Don't worry about it. Come on, Chad Marble.
Force it in your base now, you guys.
Go, babe.
Take the easy play.
All right, good cut. Good cut.
Hard time.
Come on, Chad. Come on now. That's it. Be ready, Chad. Come on, Chad. Come on now. All right. Look at him, Chad.
Way to mix them up, Todd. You can do it.
Come on, Chad. Two down. All right. Attaboy, Chad.
Hard, Todd.
Cut. Come on, Chad. Come on now. Outside. 3-1. Come on, Chad. Come on now. Nice. In there, Todd. Come on. Right.
Good pitch. That's the way.
Chad.
Get out like that, Todd. One more and good. Pitch, Todd. That's the way.
Hey, Matt. I wish we got 2-2. Whoa, season 2-2. Matt, get it so we can get a grand slam. Yeah.
Hey, Ray out there.
We need a grand slam. Don't try to get slammed, but just try to get one in there. Okay, Matt. Get a hit ball.
Come back, come in.
Come on, Matt. Come on, Matt.
Come on, Todd, let's go.
All right, Dad.
Down.
You did it. Come on, Tanya, get the ball. Come on, Tanya, you can do it. Come on, Tanya. Come on, Tanya, you can hit it. Okay. Swing it hard like last night, Tanya. Yeah, what? Well, she just wants to get a single. You're not trying to get him runs. Okay, Tanya.
Come in. Come on, Todd, come out.
Well, maybe she can't help it. Get out of there. Get out of there. It would have been a stretch, Jess.
Josh, hit it!
Target, Kevin.
Come on, Josh, hit it! Come on,
Target up there, Kevin.
come on, nail it out there, Southfield.
Get it back. Get it back, dude.
That was a fair ball until we knocked it out.
Oh, Mark, you can do it.
Swing up that way. Yeah. Paul, what did you say? You said
Come on, Jeremy, cut out. Come on, dude. Hold
get
it.
that off, you can't see.
What's up, infield?
Run hard.
Hard. Side. All right. Good job, Bobby. Stay infield. Two out. Go to first. Two out. First base. Relax. Light.
Josh, be a hitter.
Slow off your knees. Come on, J-Bird. Cut out. All through with it, Jeremy. Well, let's go now. Hey, give up. Come on, Jeremy. Throw strikes now. Take your time to throw strikes. All right, good pitch. Right, Jenny, big.
I was riding his bike around. I came this far.
Come on, J-Bird. Come here. Come on, Jeremy. Cut out.
There you go, Josh.
Come on, Jeremy. Shake it off. Don't worry about it. It's only one. Let's go. You got a force. Yes, Josh. Go two outs. Land it.
Paul,
Land it. Get
Paul,
the bat
get that
back.
back.
Get the bat back.
Amanda, it's a good pitch. Swing. Don't stand there and look at them all.
Take it out.
Ready, infield. Go now. Throw strike, Jeremy.
Good eye, Amanda.
Come on, Jeremy. Throw strike. Come on now.
Tim, I want you to kill it. He already killed it. Hey, you're gonna use
All right, come on.
it.
Come on, Jeremy. Give him a target in there, Kev.
Oh, you won't kill me.
Come on, Jeremy. Throw strike now. Don't start that. Come on, Jeremy. Cut out. Throw strike now. Turn the ball loose. Don't aim it.
I really killed it.
It's like a hole.
That baby went bye-bye.
All right, good pitch. Oh, one more, Jeremy.
How much do you want to bet one up? How many balls?
Hey, Josh. 2 outs. You run on anything now.
Except we can just get you up there.
It's pretty hard. It might be swinging late, which means they'll hit your way, okay? So you have to be ready out there the whole time. Here, brush you off.
You did. You found. I don't promise that.
Move back a little more. Okay. Jeremy. Todd, make sure you're stepping right towards your catcher with that front foot. That's a boy, good pitch.
Hey, play off.
play. Good play, Paul.
You're out. Go ahead, Dusty.
Okay.
Jeremy.
Stay ready now.
Jeremy,
Good
get
hitter.
up on top. Get up. Look on that bat a little bit. There you go. Come on now. Come in.
Stand up.
Come on, Jeremy.
Jeremy, double shot. Thank you. That other part.
Ah,
Yeah.
pick. Come on now. You ready? 2 strikes, Jeremy. Come on now.
Come on, Jeremy. I'm not paying attention to you. I'm not sure. Come on, Jeremy. Come on, JR. Get away, Jeremy.
Come on now. Jeremy, what do you say now? You ready there, buddy? Come on now. You ready?
Come on, Todd. Good shot.
Come on, Jeremy. Come out.
Tag, John. Tag.
Forward. Come on, Jeremy. Come out. Josh! Josh! Come on, 2 ducks out there. Let's bring him home now. Two down, Jeremy. Mike, come on, Mike. Be up on your toes and let's hit the ball. Come on, Mike. Let's hit that ball this time. Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike. That'll look. Get him.
Get ready, you guys. You need one up. Get out of this.
Come on, Mike. Come on, Mike. That's yours, Mike. on, Jeremy. Turn it loose now. Turn the ball loose. Come on now. Come on, buddy. Come on, forward, Jeremy. Cut out. Hang in there. Keep an eye on that ball.
Come on, JR. Follow through. Relax.
Cut out.
Relax.
Come on, Jeremy. Cut out. Come on, Jeremy. Throw strike.
Make it blue strikes, Kevin.
Come on, Jeremy. Cut out.
Come on, JR. No help out there.
Make it be a good pitch, Kevin. Let's bring it back.
All right, good pitch. Jesse, you got a force, Josh. Come on, Jonathan Brennan. Watch the ground ball, Jonathan.
Good hit, good hit.
Second base.
Good boy, Kevin.
Good job. Way to hush. Way to go after it. 1 out.
Good try, Kevin. Good try. Wasn't much you can do about that.
Good job. Way to go after it.
Second base again.
Jeremy, you got a runner on the field yet. Just watch, look around.
Jesse and Josh. Second base.
Come on now, hum it. Get one.
Cole, you can do it.
Heads up, outfield.
Where's the play at? Jeremy, you ready?
Second base, outfielders.
Right before he's
Heads up.
Heads up.
Sign that guy.
The Phillies are looking for somebody. Come on, Jeremy, cut out. Heads up, infielders. Come on, Mike, get on your toes. Get up on your toes, Mike. Get foul. Be ready out there, Travis. He may not get around on it. Travis.
You ready?
Come on, Jeremy, cut out. Now you're ready, Nice sidearm, Jeremy. Come right over, watch out. Jeremy, come right over the top. Come on now. Come on now. Come on, Jeremy, cut out, heads up. Come on, Jeremy, cut out. Come on, Jeremy, cut out. Come on, Jeremy, come on now.
Come on, JR.
Come on, Jeremy, cut out, watch out. Come on, Jeremy, cut out. Jeremy, get over there. You're on that offense. Get on the other side of the rubber. You switch positions on me now. Don't start that. Won't go over the mound. Good target, boys.
Good eye, Paul.
That ball for him?
Take a base, buddy.
Come on, Jason.
Come on, Jeremy, throw strikes. Don't let up, Jeremy. Don't let up. Come on now.
Down, you guys gotta run hard.
Jonathan Brenneman, it's a force. It's just third base if you get it.
Jonathan, you gotta get the ball first. Okay?
You get the ball, just step on third.
All right, Jason. You can hit this guy.
Run the ball loose, Jeremy. Cut out. You're overthrowing. Relax it up there. Jeremy, take a deep breath before you throw. Come on now, try that.
Hey, wake up out there.
Come on, Jason.
Hey, Jeremy, now finish it there. Wait till Corey's ready. Jeremy, take your time. Right
What are you rushing for? You got 3-1.
Jeremy, take a deep breath.
Come on, Jeremy, cut out. Come on, Jeremy, come on now.
Come on, JR.
Don't help him.
Come on, Jeremy, heads up, guys. Put it in, pitcher. Go up there, pitcher. Jason. Got a way to hit him. Second base. That's the ball in. Get it in. Get it in. Base. You gotta go to first base, Josh. Stop in front of it. Good hit, Andy. He touched you. It was foul. He touched that. Knock it out there.
Jeremy, move back behind the plate a little bit. Back towards the pitcher.
Come on, Jake's gun out. Watch that gun out. Come in. You got a force, Jeremy. Josh.
Jeremy, choke up. Choke up.
Come on, Jess. Come on, Jess. Ah, boy, good job.
All right, good pitch, Jesse. Good pitch.
You can hit this guy.
You can do it, Jeremy.
Now there's 2 down.
8 fielders, 2 out. 2 out.
Jerry. 2 out, but 5 to 4th and 2nd. On the first batter. Who was that batter? Who was the first batter? First. First would be the guy for the second.
Yeah, that's the only out we have.
All right, good pitch, Jesse. Call it fair, buddy.
Come on, John, you can do it. Do it. Take your time, Jesse. There's no rush out there. Come on now. No rush.
Come on, John.
Do it, John.
All right, good pitch. Good pitch.
Choke up now, John. You got your piece, Lily.
Attaboy. All right. Come on, John. Let's go now.
Come on, John, be ready.
Good pitcher, Andy. Come on, John. Let's go now.
Come on, John.
Get on. Good pitch, Andy.
Okay, John. Come on, Chad.
Come on now. Let it go, Andy. Jack, move back that way. Attaboy. Now you ready, Chad? Come on, Chad. Come on now. Come on, Chad. Hang in close now. Way to go, Andy.
See about that getting back. Choke up. Make sure you get in and get ready on it.
That's what I was doing that one time when I hit the foul. I had to do my grab game. Remember when I
Make
hit
up your mind and swing.
Then I moved.
Can't turn around. It's pretty fast. Swing early on it.
Seems like he's pitching fast. Stop him up.
Just remember, you guys, to take one more step back behind home plate towards the catcher.
Josh.
Okay?
Take your
Stay
time.
back behind the plate.
Come on, Sherry. Get in the game now. Be ready, Sherry. Atta girl. Be ready.
Where's the glove at?
Some gloves over there.
All right, good. Good
catcher's mitt.
Come on, JR.
Come on, Jeremy, cut out.
Come on, Andy.
Are you ready, Jeremy? Cut out. Come on, Jeremy, cut out. Ready now.
Come on, Josh.
For strikes, Andy.
Come on, Josh.
Come on, Josh. Come on, Andy.
Come on, everybody, stay ready.
Come on.
You ready for it?
All right, now
Good
you're
catch,
ready,
Andy.
Josh.
That's a boy.
I'll get it. Come on, Josh, cut out.
Heart lob.
Come on, Josh, come on out. Sit down, Corey. Come on, Andy. Sit down.
Don't go after that bad one.
Okay, Andy, you need one more strike on him. Let's get him now. Throw it by him, Andy.
Josh. You ready?
Come on, Andy, you can get him.
Come on, Josh, come on out. Stay close, Josh. Run hard.
First base, first base.
Fight! This is quick. Up on the back. Get the next guy. Through the strike zone, Mike. Through the strike zone. Come on now.
Come on, you guys.
Strike zone.
Come on, Mike.
Tighten up out there.
Helmet on.
Tim.
Be ready. Come on, Mike. Pat, Mike.
Ball hit the outfield. Get it in the infield as soon as you can.
Heads up.
Up.
Mike.
You can do it,
Come
Andy.
on, Mike. Look on that bat. Get off the knob now.
Good
Come on,
play.
Mike. Mike. Get off the knob. Get off the
One more
knob.
like that, Andy.
Back control now. Look on that bat a little bit. Come on out. Come on, Mike. Cut out, Mike. Come on, Mike. Cut out.
Come on, Andy. You can do it.
Come on, Mike. Cut out.
Good fire, good fire.
Watch the ball. Come on, Kevin. You can do it.
Come on, Kevin.
Behind the ball.
I want to be up this inning.
Good pitch, Jess.
Just put the shoe out. It's the shoe out. Who's the best pitcher on our team? Everybody heard me.
Heads up, we still have the board play.
Run out, you guys! Run out! On the ground, run hard!
Heads up, Dusty. Jonathan and Brennan, in your way.
Ready to run.
Come on, Todd. Lots of time to get.
Good cut, guys, good cut!
Heads up, Dusty. Come up,
Ball
roll.
rolling, here we go!
Get the next one, Todd. Come on. Come on.
Come on now.
Right. Oh, it's back.
Get that off of them.
You ready, Paul?
Travis. That's all. Come on, Jess.
Okay, Todd. Good eye. Good eye.
Travis. Matthew. Matthew.
Come on, sir!
Heads up, Jonathan. Jonathan, heads up. He's going your way. Jericho, you ready? Heads up, Dusty.
Come on, Paul, be ready.
You can do it! Let's see if you can hit it!
Run at him, Jess. Right at him. Jess, right at him.
Way to go, Todd.
Run, Todd!
Let's go.
You should not
Stuck it in the guy. He thought he had a big
Becky.
Nice hit, Andy, nice hit!
Tied up, right? Todd. 9-9. 9-9.
Yellow
Hey,
forward.
attaboy, Todd.
Second base.
There you go.
You're good.
One out now. Come on, Jeremy. Come on, Jeremy. Look him over, bud.
The way you hit him.
Do it. Come on, Jess. Got it.
Okay.
Oh, that's fair.
Swing hard, Jeremy. Like you did before. Hot Jess, come out.
All right.
Come on, John. Good. Let's go.
I'm on, John. That's all right, John.
I'm gonna have my boy pitching this inning.
Okay. I'm trying.
All right, batter up.
Hot Jess, cut it.
Plays it first, infield, plays it first! Let's get the batter, guys. Get the batter, first base.
Come on, John, need a hit.
Come on, Jason.
Come on, John, going out.
Come on, John. Ball three. Come on, John. 3 out.
Jason, you can do it.
Come on, John. Come on now. Don't be too anxious in it, John. Come on now. Who's up?
Concentrate, Jason. Put it right in that catcher's mitt. Come on, you can get these little guys out.
Come on, Kevin, Lynch. Come on now. Come on, Kevin.
Come on, Jason.
Kevin.
Up, Kev.
Kevin. Stay. Don't walk. Come on now. Don't walk on me. Stay there and look at that pitch.
That's first strike, Jason.
Kevin. Just relax in there, Kevin. Just relax in there. Come on now.
That target, John. That target, Jason. Right in the catcher's mitt.
Come on, Kevin. Come on now. Get a look.
Oh, Kev.
Come on, Jason.
Come on, Kevin. Come on now.
Okay, good
Oh,
pitch.
Come on
Good
now.
pitch.
Okay, let's be ready. Let's get that bat ready.
You're not like that, Jason. Same place. Good pitch. That's
Okay,
away.
Kev. Get him next time. On, Cherry.
No, you can't use two. Let's play Michael. Play Mercy.
Come on, Sherry. Go now.
Look how small we're playing. Did Tina say that today?
Come on, Jason.
Come on in. And you'll have to come out of the box.
Come on, Andy.
Come on, Andy. Come on now.
Stay ready, guys. Paul, better move back, Paul. Good pitch, Andy. That's a boy.
Come on, Andy. Come on now.
Mark, stay ready. See which way she's hitting. She might come your way. Stay ready there. Good pitch. Good pitch.
Okay,
Good job, Andy. Way to cut the ball. Come on, Jonathan.
Okay, everybody move back now. Normal play. We got 2 outs. Plays it first. Let's get the batter at first base, you guys.
Come on, Jonathan.
On, John.
2 now. We're going to go on anything. Let's beat it. Ball the bag now. Come on now. All right.
Come on, Andy. You can do it.
Come out. Get ready, Jonathan. Come on now.
On, John.
Come on, Andy.
Come on, Chad. Come on now.
On, Chad.
Get the batter, guys. Good on now. Paul, what are you doing, Paul? Get up. Come on, stay ready, guys. Good fire, Andy. Good pitch. Good pitch. Come on, Andy. Let's make him history. Put him in the book. Looking good, Andy. Good pitch. Good pitch. Ah, way to go. Carrie, do you want to cut up?
Todd, they're one ahead of us. No, it's Todd. That's right, it's Todd.
Yeah, this is our last at bats, Tim.
Todd, we're out to win this one. Don't do that. We're out to win this, Todd.
Don't put the other one. Get the other one. Jesse, get 3 out. Yes, fast.
Heads up, guys. Here we go.
Mark, how you
Somebody's supposed to pick one.
Jesse, cut out.
Put your hat on.
Why, you're not up next, Amanda. I am soon enough. Why'd you get your letters to the first one?
All right. Good pitch.
Coming. Gotta go to the batter. Let's go, guys. Be ready. Jeremy, come on now. Talk to Mike. Next, Mike.
Good shape, Mike.
Come on, Mike. Hi, Mike.
Keep throwing the ball, Todd. Don't let up too much. Good pass. That's the way, Todd.
Come on, Corey. Come on now. We need you, man. Come on now.
Okay, Todd, come on now.
Talk, Corey.
Strike
Hit the batter, guys. We need one out.
Come on, Jeremy.
Jason. Come on, Todd. You can do it.
Come on, Jeremy, cut out.
Close, Todd.
Come on, Todd. Hit that catcher's mitt, Todd. Hit that target.
Come on, Jeremy, cut out.
One to tie and two to win.
Center. Not I guess there, Chad.
Losing 10-9.
Andy, Mike's pitch. I know. Look at that. It's so easy.
She's enjoying herself.
She sure is.
It was so fun. Top 6. Well, you didn't
It's only bad pitches, Amanda. But if it's straight, go ahead. In out there.
Jason, 6 or 11.
This is Bomber's 7th now.
Not Skittle. Oh, you! When Kevin gets up, then the rally.
Field it on the ground. Don't field the ball. All right, let's go now. Come on, Mike. Come, Mike. Come, Mike.
Jerry, what'd you do? He's throwing it in the air.
Come, Mike. Come, Mike.
I see a big pile there that she went like this and it went all over. Jeremy put a big pile of you.
I know if you heard it or not.
Come on, watch your ball. Watch your ball.
Come on, Mike. Come, Mike. Come, Mike. Come, Mike. Come on, Mike. Don't walk him on now, Mike. Come, Mike. Come, Mike. Come out.
Try to swing at the Amanda. I can't wait till tomorrow.
Come, Mike. Come on, Mike. Get the glove, Mike. Good try, Chad.
Doing good, Amanda.
What do you mean? Tug of war racing? Yeah. Look, we made on that plane. You were on the same plane. Oh, remember that time when we were tugging of war?
Hand it up, Todd. Ball. Heads up, you got a force, Jeremy. Good up.
Even with the pop out.
Heads up, Jeremy. Hi, Mike. Come in.
Come on, Paul. It's got to be there. Walt's as good as a hit.
Oh, Paul, you can do it.
Hi, Mike. Come, Mike.
Contact, Mike.
Choke up a little bit. You swung late. Choke up. You shouldn't get the batter out.
Come, Mike. Watch the ball, Paul. Watch the ball. Come, Mike.
Two outs. Let's go. Let's get the Jesse will be there. Jonathan! Come on, Mike.
Everybody hear that? Don't anybody leave. I want to talk to you. Don't worry about it, guys.
Hey, don't worry about it. That's
Wanna